You and you want to be when one will go to 200 a delegate here, constituency coordinator, constituency chairman, constituency say. Woman in also report to my one will go to Aba on the 26th. No, right? Or him Pombi. Nana, wait there, go there, yeah. Or him Pombi said, like I said, Aba Mokotono. Mongo yi me basre mu ni na mame enu ntu twa sa region wa ye ko no poto gegra wo him pompa gan wo hini dachi edi won say dem ka kire wo say aba mo koto no mo koto ma me basre mu ni no because wo no na wa kire say ye de o man kura na wo betumi dia kwa akiri awo ohimpo akasa awo na akwa kwese sasebi ohimpo ano. Lastly, who done who way umpe Bawumia asem Bawumia beto ka amount who go say boot numu na wo to aba na Bawumia jinam bi
there be onyina mu bi.
Why did Sir John say fear delegate? Because delegate betumi aju sika
Oh yeah,
wo ko jina da kan mu a
wa chiro ofia ma
e no beto aba ma
chiro mafia.
enti de wo mu ena mu na e na Bawumia discount we ram ye 5,000 ada no mu so mu ntua bi na awre wo se be wo mu say e bi say yes ye tua bi ba na mo de ene soso ferry ade oh we my bride no be sa na so my bride ni bi ye ma bi ba ye de ne ma 500 Ghana e boy
Any be mafia
inducing isn't all inducing you delegate for anyone who take kuda Ghana the vice president for Abeni Nara na ye wom to say ceremony 6 March you do are not the president in China and unkwana you. This is the only vice president here. Wabema the vice president in Aye vibrant. Na dientia as a NPP for the neba. Na ye tone swaba and the niama me and Sam me became. The first policy or say there be a NPP for to abe nearby power. Na ye ja constituencies no. As a Ramsa. Sadia or the 10 appointments per constituency ever. There were 257 constituencies. Every government has 7,000 appointments to make. It is every constituency 10 krana. The presidency still have 4,000 extra appointments to make. But 3,000 a year. Party for how are we going to do that? By gathering what we call database. No, database database never change who say you call ododo constituency. You will make 400. Hairdresser 450, a jobber 430. A Jabia na a Jubia beto STC. CEO no one or you one of those appointees in the 10 appointees, no. As so do for our drivers into the to maybe our drivers inside the car because we have the data. Now, most of them are the godfathers to these regions, and I said to these constituencies. Say opportunity being a beba, they are there to fit the party there. It would to me make say, yeah, buy a crumble post, you know, the constituency, Dr. Bawumia is the only candidate here. Obetumia Bweura NDC for strongholds me and sending in now what you vote at the Abre NPP. Adentia. Sir Zomba. Eya adia yenua no mo keta kan say NPP account for party na se we onya kan ni a omo ma obabi nye den enhye enti se NPP for kobo mu musuo ekokofa obi a wonya kan ni ba sa propaganda na don nim say wunim bi NDC for used for all these years no ebeto nsuom ebio ye de papa we ebeto ye ballot so no say ye vice president no even as a vice president Juma on ne yere and the penny for aya one north hono. To me, ama yenya ahe yenya 12 more seats. Our northern region at the Akai seats. Northern region is a big stronghold of the NDC. But I have personally spoken to Obia, or you're very close to Haruna Idrisu. Now, not some more catching a minute say the Bawumia Badia, a better damn NDC power because. 110 where they party of himself may religious, Akrabamo fan chairman, and Cremophone this Christopher. kremoni wo se ni nua ho trena abudu sakim pa bwa kai no mu ni na eba o nje ni nua mu da uni o nje ni nua mu da
some who can you believe strongly say mode Bawumia Dr. Bawumia ba the North would vote for him massively, just like he said
the North will fall flat for
this weekend. That is what he said.
Fall flat.
That is what he said.
Baby, I know I'm very shaky. I be voter rich because all the oil I'm dying. I'm a family on there. So you better go to her. Sir, Aisha Modi, she loves so much. That's how I know her. Minimum before they say. Sir, allegation ya working. I be confirm ni ama bebre o. One say first na oka sa Tracy Buachene Maisbell and Tokwana. Almost ye unim. Me was some video bi so am hu ye. Ah na ye Maisbell interview. E was 3 news na ebisa na say Odasone Mahama e kasa na. Na o se da bi. Na odone papa no na say she really mess up papa no. No besides na den no new papa no number. And I say be a papa no person the number ne bema no. Because first no, this is Maisbell's word though. I didn't chase for the number before. So why should I chase for the number now? Mahama assassin the number because of Maisbell. Number no different no was no any needing come no was no. He said Jaben walk was ya say. He said Jaben Olonto you. Who predecessor come oja airbus man why you when nim no o sen cherry amen. He said Jaben when nimumu and was sen cherry amen. Send me the ye gumenu mu. But tell when oh cases table up, cases table up, cases table up. Cases table up. What to me your foco kwasia say John where who kwani baby na who chasing for the wheel. And she loves Tomboy say Mahama. Was sister Ghana for 7 million and the amatrice Buachi countries Buachi Huno. He said Jabi Tracy Buachi meaning sound baby girl. You made what you're supposed to do. That is a hustler. I will never be angry at you, Tracy Buachi. Never. Because you did your hustle. The Yamedema owner will channel Sabe. It would turn with 20 years. One friend could the Aquasiampa for the Sadia. A minimum gas be the Aquasiampa for no. Who could be president? What you muska? Fabo Obra Tracy Buachi, went down 7 billion. Fabo Obra 7 million. Fabo Obra because ye be once in your day man. What the ho? Yaban Yabeka Chess campaign. And me bisa say, Kasum scenario. And winnie, the two best cargo goods. Woman in our campaign. Ade Mama Hama. 1 million or he, 2 million or he, and now one about radio Swani Yesu, Yabet TV Swani Yesu. I'll come back tomorrow. If Kisia Jaben has God in him, if Kisi Kwasiampeni Jaben, special prosecutor Jimmy, special prosecutor Jimmy Tintinto, what the other me who can make yawa mo anje ye we street e bedu eche ebebo me. Me do nyam me se nkrofo bi wa omuntina me ko Ghana o. Wo muntina me ko Ghana. Me si ana na ma start dinner te me yana mo bia me okay wo ba bua you mind me. And ya muba brom ya me Uganda ho mi do nyame e bia na me nhie omo na me hu kisi Jaben so nam ho now nam ho dey na special prosecutor because say work was Siampeni leave that fucking office duma me di omo no nyame ya madomo na parliamentarians ko o minya ko jimi ko frem ko any sada na Ghana be butu sada na me ma me no obi ahu mi bio because sada na bibi e be wie wo chamber ho mi pie free chamber ho no mo akume. Cause will be our budget, double salary for no one for no will be our budget. Wicked people. Oh, the 7 million I could show bias because you crowd tape. You better say tape. It's not true. Anyone who has information, provide. Me, I saw some pictures. I said it here. Now or shall pour me. Your box to be a friend of pour me. Designer box to be a friend of pour me. Now me say a Photoshop Anna. Say your Photoshop. There is actually a video, a sex video of you. Charlie, Yapon, when I'm going to true BEC or Ghana, so I know these things I'm talking about. I know how many times people have to bring their kids to my uncle to come and beg my uncle so they can enroll them in a school. And sometimes when you look at the amount of money they are looking for, it is even sad. But this was a problem for them. Okay? And he said, Winya abainbi, uti ni yipa. Na se ono ba. No ebe identify say and then you won't kwada bebre good street so a airton dog chains near honiama. E de na ekoso. And then the fa idea bi mba na sebe akwada bi an konbedo and obenyo pepa ne so obi ko school no onko school. Minia ehia for party e wo Ghana. Enya me na meka won. Sa na omo ka no. Say Oshe Social Democratic Party, that is the meaning. Please. Ubia ojine ehiafo ho. Social Democratic Party. Ubia ojine ehiafo ho. NDC. Social Democratic Party is what they are. Inti womon shiseye ene womon susuye no say ye dia ejine oman ene ehiafo ho. That is what it means. So we a social democrat. So we are somebody like a Republican. A Republican is looking at empowering the rich people because they are almost idea and they say the more we empower the rich people, the more they will open jobs. But we have seen say empowering rich people, which is what top 1.9% of the population, doesn't do the magic. Rather, the people that transforms the economy is the middle class. It is not the top. Okay, because you discuss. I'm a mama top for no. So when we be njuma nini na no anko ye. Mama typical example in Ghana. And the Ghana for sorry no mo ekufu tiso. And the banks no go bank. Mahama himself, okay, gave an amount of 640 million to some of these banks, including Parkway Sindum. I didn't know the man or the man said ye beya wa we Ghana ni usika da ho ye tumi de atua oka. But the question is say sikani ko di sikani ni nsem no wo hia ni na wo do bojo won kate wo kwadu sika de koto no won saka ya na no won sanka. And it is the same thing. Before we used to think say when you give incentives to the